we want to show that the second derivative with respect to x plus the first derivative with respect to y of xy plus 2y minus x squared equals x. So this just means that the function is xy plus 2y minus x squared, and we want to apply the second derivative with respect to x and the first derivative with respect to y. So let's start off first with the second derivative with respect to x. Well, we first need to find the first derivative of xy plus 2y minus x squared. And for this, we're just going to treat y as a constant. So think of this as like the partial derivative. So the derivative of xy is just going to be y, since y is a constant. The derivative of 2y with respect to x, that's just 0, because 2y is a constant. And the derivative of x squared is negative 2x. So we're left with y minus 2x. And now we can take another derivative with respect to x. Y is a constant, so the derivative of the constant is 0. And the derivative of negative 2x is just negative 2. So then this whole thing right here is just negative 2. Now we want to calculate the derivative with respect to y. We're going to treat x as a constant, so the derivative of xy is x. The derivative of 2y is 2, and the derivative of x squared is 0 because x is a constant. So we end up with x plus 2. So this thing is x plus 2. So now what we have to do is just add negative 2 with x plus 2 to get x as our final answer.